Assalamu alaikum guys. I am Ghazanfar, your chemistry tutor, and today we are going to talk about the Gattermann reaction of diazonium salts. Last time we discussed about the Sandmeyer reaction, and in Sandmeyer reaction we discussed that there is formation of chlorobenzene and bromobenzene takes place when the benzene diazonium chlorides are treated with the cuprous salts. The Gattermann reaction of diazonium salts resembles with the Sandmeyer's reaction because the products are same, but the yield of chlorobenzene and bromobenzene found by Gattermann reaction is less as compared to the Sandmeyer's reaction. So what is the Gattermann reaction? It is a reaction in which there is formation of chlorobenzene or bromobenzene when benzene diazonium salts are treated with copper powder. In the presence of acid. In the presence of acid. What is Gattermann reaction of diazonium salt? It is a reaction in which there is formation of chlorobenzene, bromobenzene when the benzene diazonium salt are treated with copper powder in the presence of acid. In Sandmeyer reaction, we discussed that we use cuprous salts. We use cuprous salts like cuprous chloride, cuprous bromide, and cuprous cyanide for the formation of cyanobenzene. So, in this reaction, that is the Gattermann reaction of diazonium salt, we use copper powder. This is the main difference between the Gattermann reaction and the Sandmeyer reaction. The yield of the products that are the chlorobenzene and bromobenzene is less in Gattermann reaction as compared to the Sandmeyer's reaction. So firstly we discuss the synthesis of benzene diazonium salt. How benzene diazonium salt is formed? Firstly we have a benzene, then we do nitration of benzene by using concentrated nitric acid and concentrated sulfuric acid. Then there is a formation of nitrobenzene. Then we do reduction of nitrobenzene. Then there is formation of aniline. There is formation of aniline. Then we add nitrous acid in the form of sodium nitrite and hydrochloric acid, and temperature is 0 to 5 degrees Celsius. We use nitrous acid in this form because in HNO2 form, nitrous acid is very less stable. That's why we use the nitrous acid in sodium nitrite with hydrochloric acid form. Now there is formation of benzene diazonium chloride takes place, and we call it BDC. Benzene diazonium chloride is formed. This benzene diazonium chloride reacts with copper powder in the presence of hydrochloric acid. Then there is formation of chlorobenzene and nitrogen gas evolves. If we use hydrogen bromide, then there is formation of bromobenzene instead of chlorobenzene. This is the reaction of Gattermann diazonium salt. Now we will discuss the mechanism of Gattermann diazonium salt of mechanism. We have benzene, diazonium chloride, benzene diazonium chloride. As we use copper powder in this reaction, so we add copper powder. Then oxidative addition takes place. Oxidative addition takes place, and there is formation of in the next step, this chloride ion attack on this side, nitrogen gas evolves, and this intermediate is formed. In the next step, homolysis takes place. Homolysis takes place, and homolysis takes place, free radicals are formed. Aryl free radical, and this free radical is formed. In the next step, we have aryl free radical, again homolysis takes place. There is chlorine free radical. In the next step, these two free radicals react with each other, and there is formation of chlorobenzene. There is formation of chlorobenzene. So this is all about the Gattermann reaction, in which there is formation of chloro and bromobenzene takes place when they are treated with copper powder in the presence of acids, and the yield of the products is less in Gattermann reaction as compared to the Sandmeyer's reaction. So this is all about the Gattermann reaction of diazonium salt.